Hello students, so this is your computer class and today we are going to start the topic Introduction to Notepad and WordPad. This is Unit A of Tier 3. Okay, so what is Notepad? Notepad is a word processing software that can be used for typing text quickly and easily. Means this notepad helps you to type any text quickly and easily. Okay, this is the word processing software which is used or which helps you to type your text quickly and easily. Clear? Now what is the extension of this file? Extension of this file is .txt. Okay, any file saved in this notepad is saved with the extension .txt. Clear? Now let's see some steps to start your notepad file. First of all, first step is to click on the start button on your screen. Okay, after clicking on the start button you will see different menus. So on that you have to point on all programs. You have to click on all programs. Then after clicking on all programs you'll get the option of accessories. Just click on the accessories and then there will be the option of notepad. You will click on the notepad and the notepad file or page will open in front of you, on which you can type any few lines about anything and then you can save your file. Okay, now let's see the notepad window. Okay, see, this is the window which will appear somewhat like this on your screen when you will start the notepad window. So see, there are different options or different bars on the screen. Okay, so this one is called the title bar on which the name of your file will be written. Okay, the file name, whatever the name you will save of your file, will be displayed on this title bar. By default it is untitled. Okay, now the next thing is menu bar. See, this is the menu bar. Okay, it shows or displays the various options. Okay, like file, edit, format, view, help. So this is the various options which is present on your screen. Now this area is called the text screen. Okay, this area is the text screen on which you can type or write anything, whatever you want to write. Okay, now this, see this box, see this part. Yes, this part is called the scroll bar. Okay, through this what you can do is you can move your document either upside or downside. Clear? Now these three buttons are given. Let's see what is the use of these three buttons. So first of all, see this one button on which this minus sign is made. So this button is used to minimize your notepad window. Okay, now this, see this one button. Yes, this is the button which is used to maximize or restore the size of a notepad window. Suppose when you minimized it, so after again if you have to do the again full screen of the notepad window, then you will click on this button. Okay, now the last, this button, this cross button, this button is used to close your window. Okay, this button helps you to close your notepad window. So that's all for today, students. If you have any doubts, you can ask me to clear your doubts. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Thank you.